KK, New Orleans Savior. We yelling black and gold to the Super Bowl. Black and gold to the Super Bowl. Black and gold to the Super Bowl. We yelling who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that said they gon' beat them same? We yelling who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that said they gon' beat them same? Yeah, we going to Miami, already tamed the Wildcat. Second line into that Super Bowl and bring that crown back. Brown bag days over, take that to the bank. Oh, watch your man and tell him this ain't your daddy. Same time Vince and give a Vince to Drew Brees. Great Megan Payton need New Orleans instead of King. Greg Williams, high ground, he's going touchdown. Push line to the pylon, no going out of bounds. Meet your Weaver, shock it, sock it to ya. Marching down with Marcus, it ain't hard to find him. Open 6-4 off the line. Touchdown, coach. We yelling who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that said they gon' beat them same? We yelling who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that said they gon' beat them same? Frank leave his wig split. Cedric laying big hits. Jabari run the corner. Sharper get that pick six. Believe it, undefeated. Walk the walk. Beat Bills, Jets, and Giants. We run New York. Panthers get crushed. Bucks get bucked. Monday night, Falcons getting A-Town stomped. Are you ready for some football? It's going down, baby. We got something for your Belichick and Brady. We yelling black and gold.